Introducing the 2025 Volvo Xc90 T8 Phev Plus Dark AWD MY25.5 in stunning blue. This MPV is packed with top-of-the-line features for ultimate comfort and safety. From the luxurious interior with ambient lighting to the advanced security systems like collision alert and lane departure warning, this vehicle has it all. With a 2-litre engine that runs on petrol, plug-in hybrid electric and automatic transmission, the Volvo XC90 is both powerful and efficient. Not to mention the sleek styling details like the glass roof and spoiler. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Ready to experience luxury and performance in one package? Contact us today at spiritmotorgroup.ie to schedule a test drive or learn more about the 2025 Volvo XC90 T8 Phev Plus Dark AWD Y25.5.